Hi there and welcome to another video from Faraz Maths. It's Mr. Faraz Hassan here, and in this video we are learning solve two-step equations involving division. Okay, so let's start with what we did previously. So previously on Faraz Maths, what was the sentence? What happened to x? So we can solve it by using the sentence. We have x over 3 plus 2 equal 12. We can read the sentence in this way. I was thinking of a number. I divided by 3, then added 2 and got 12. For the next one, we can say I was thinking of a number. I added 2, then divided by 3 and got 12. Okay, coming to the next. Okay, find x over 3 plus 2 equal 12. So we can do it in this way. X over 3 is equals to 12. Move this plus 2 to the other side will become negative 2. So whenever we move plus number to the other side, it will become negative. And then x over 3 is equals to 12 minus 2 is 10. This 3 is in division, so the inverse of division is multiplication. So that's why x is equals to 10 times 3. And this will give you x is equals to 30. So remember this thing. Whenever you see a positive number, it will convert it into negative. And if anything's divide, it will multiply on the other side. And if you see a negative, so we can convert it into positive to the other side. And if anything multiplies on the left, it will divide on the right. Okay, coming to the next. Okay, so find x plus 2 over 3 equal 12. So here we have to multiply 3 on both sides because we have a single fraction over there. So 3 is in division on this left side. So we can multiply it on the right side. Now we have x plus 2. And if you solve this, that would give you 36. Then this 2 is in addition with x, so it will subtract from the right side. Or you are subtracting 2 from the both sides, so plus 2 minus 2 will become 0 there. And then x is equals to 36 minus 2 is 34. If we have 2 plus x over 3 equal 12, the question will remain same. You can do it in this way. 2 plus x equals to 12 times 3. Because 3 is in division, it will multiply on the other side. And then 2 plus x is equals to 36. Now x equals to 36. And this 2 is in addition with x. So it will subtract from the right side. And this will give you again x equals to 34. Okay, coming to the next. Solve x over 5 minus 2 equal negative 5. So here we do not have a single fraction. We don't have x minus 2 over 5. That's a different thing. So to do this question, you first have to move negative 2 to the other side. You cannot move 5 to the other side. We have to move negative 2 to the other side will become plus 2. And then x over 5 equal minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. And then 5 is in division with x. It will multiply here on the right side. So we have x is equals to minus 15. Okay, alternatively, we can do this question in this way. X over 5 minus 2 is equals to negative 5. So what you have to do here, we can make the denominator same. We know that below 2 we have 1 there. In the denominator of 2 we have 1. And 5 and 1 LCM is 5. Or you can multiply the second fraction by 5 over 5 to make the denominator same. So x over 5 minus 10 over 5 equal negative 5. Now we can write it in a single fraction because denominators are same. So x minus 10 over 5 equal negative 5. Then 5 is in division, it will multiply on this side. X minus 10 is equals to negative 5 into 5. Therefore we have x minus 10 is equals to negative 25. Now you have negative 10 here on the left side, it will become plus on the right hand side. So we have now x is equals to negative 25 plus 10 is negative 15. And that's our answer. Okay, coming to the next. The next question we have solve for x2 plus x over 5 equal negative 3. So we can write it in this way. 2 plus x equals to minus 3 times 5 because we have a single fraction over there. Numerator over denominator equals to some number. So we can move this 5 to the other side. 5 is in division on the left side. It will multiply on the right side. and then 2 plus x is equals to minus 15. Then we have x equals to minus 15. This 2 is with positive sign. It is with addition. So now we have to subtract 2 from the right hand side, and then x equals to minus 17. You can verify it also that 2 plus x over 5 equal negative 3. If I put over 5 equals negative 3, and then 2 minus 17 over 5 equal negative 3. 17 minus 2 is 15, but it has to be negative 15 over there. And if you solve this negative 15 over 5, that would give you negative 3 equals to negative 3. So left hand side equals to the right hand side. It means our answer for x was correct. So that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching. We will continue from the next.